Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix can't download application on Play Store in Redmi A5. So let's start the video friends. If you are facing these types of problems, first you have to just open your Play Store and just update your Play Store first. Click on this profile pic, click on settings, click on about, update Play Store from here. If it is up to date, then if the apps are not downloading, there is a problem in your storage. If your storage is full, you have to release some of the storage by deleting some of the application files, photos, videos, document, audio, documents, downloads, and then it will be downloaded. And the third step, you can just do it. Long press the Play Store, click on I button, clear cache and clear data. This will fix it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.